Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Today we are read about today champion trophy match final match between India and New Zealand. So this is our today article. Who will emerging victory in the game of the small margin? How the Kiwi batters handle the Indian spinner on used surface could could well decide the outcome of the summit clash on us on senior pros Rohit and Kohli in the high pressure showdown. As the article written by S. Deepak Raghav, Dubai. Champion Trophy. The last time India and New Zealand met in the finals of an ICC white ball tournament, the world of cricket was far different. That the competition was called the ICC Knockout. One day international rule the sports landscape. Cricket in the Middle East just means Sharjah, and T20 was still 3 years away. A quarter of century later, the same opponents, now among the best all-rounder sides in the world, will square off for glory and 2.24 million prize money. 2.24 million dollar prize money when they meet in the summit clash of the champion trophy at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium on Sunday. Similar death. It is not wholly surprising India and New Zealand have made it thus far, or they have similar death in their squads and appear well organized. On the batting front, both have openers who can give blazing start. A talismanic player at number 3 and highly skilled batter lower down who can switch gears seamlessly. New Zealand has slightly better pace attack with its tall quicks who can move the ball around the and generate awkward bounce. Its spins bowling department, through not world class, is not sort of option either. Marshalled by the Willie Mitchell Turner. India, on the other hand, has electric mix of wicket taking tweakers, two left arm orthodox spinner, a left arm wrist spinner, and a right arm spinner whose memory is long enduring. Rampage. Rohit Sharma's men have lived up to their billings as favorites, reaching the final unbeaten. Nearly every member who has stepped on to the park has made a significant contribution. Rohit may not have big score but has lead from the front through his uncompromising aggressive approach. Virat Kohli makes tricky chases look easy business like he did against Pakistan and Australia. The middle and lower order to have stepped up, and the experience of the getting the team out of delicate situation could come in handy in a high pressure game. The slow surfaces in Dubai have allowed the spinners to rule the roost through the middles over, and scoring boundaries without taking huge risk has been arduous. It is here that India, the top ranked team in the world, has managed to trump every opponent. The pitch for the final will the same as one used for the India's versus Pakistan clash 2 weeks ago. The former chased down 242 that day, and the surface is expected to behave similar, helping slower bowler. If there is one team that can stop the men in blue, it is New Zealand, but the Kiwis lost here a week ago when Varun Chakravarti skited through the lineup, and this time their batters need to find way to pressure the Indian spine quartet. The R World. The end of a big tournament often invites the R World in the lexicon, and on cue, Australia's stand-up captain Steve Smith called it quits from ODI after the semi-final loss on Tuesday. There has been some chatter about the Rohit's future, considering he will be nearly 40 when the 2027 World Cup come. If that were to be the case, guiding is India to a second straight ICC title after the T20 World Cup last year could be the perfect farewell for one of the greatest ODI player of his generation. The terms from India The team from India: Rohit Sharma captain, Shubham Gill vice captain, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul wicketkeeper, Rishabh Pant wicketkeeper, Hardik Pandya, Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, Kuldeep Yadav, Harshit Rana, Mohammad Shami, Arshdeep Singh, Ravinder Jadeja, Varun Chakravarti. New Zealand: Mitchell Centre captain, Mitchell Verswell, Mark Chapman, Devon Conway, Matt Henry, Tom Latham wicketkeeper, Daryl Mitchell, Will O'Rourke, Glenn Phillips, Sachin Ravindra, Ben Sears, Nathan Smith, Kane Williamson, Will Young, Cale Jameson. Match officials: on field umpire Paul Rifle and Richard Illegal War, third umpire Joy Wilson, fourth umpire Kumar Dharmsena. Match referee Ranjan Madhugule. Match start at 2:30 p.m. IST. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thank for watching. We meet in next video or tomorrow. Jai Hind.